How to use AI to help you learn or study. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world, and education is no exception. AI-powered tools and resources can help you learn more effectively and efficiently, regardless of your age or learning style. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Selecting the right AI tools. Identify your learning goals. Before diving into AI-powered solutions, determine your learning objectives. Are you looking to improve your language skills, understand complex concepts, or enhance your productivity? This will help you choose the most suitable AI tools. Language learning and translation. Duolingo. Duolingo employs AI to personalize language learning experiences. It adapts to your proficiency level and tracks your progress, making language learning engaging and effective. Google Translate. This AI-powered tool can help you with translations, pronunciations, and even provide context for words or phrases. It's an invaluable aid for language learners. Enhancing study material. Text summarization tools. AI-driven summarization tools like SummarizeBot can condense lengthy text into concise summaries, saving you time during research and study. Voice Dream Reader. This AI-powered text-to-speech tool can read your study material aloud, aiding comprehension and allowing you to multitask. Voice Dream Reader is hailed by many as the best mobile text-to-speech app. It has potential uses by those with physical and learning challenges, as well as those without. Any student, for example, who struggles with comprehension and retention of written information could benefit. Time management and productivity. Task management tools. AI-powered task managers like Todoist or AnyDo can help you organize your study schedule, set reminders, and prioritize tasks. Pomodoro Technique apps. AI-enhanced Pomodoro apps can optimize study intervals and break times for maximum productivity. Data analysis and research. AI research assistants. Tools like Iris.ai can help with academic research by summarizing papers, finding relevant articles, and suggesting research directions. Iris.ai can help you build a comprehensive bibliography. Apps like Zotero and EndNote can assist in creating bibliographies and citations accurately as well. Practice and assessment. Quiz and flashcard generators. AI-driven platforms like Quizlet can help you create interactive quizzes and flashcards for self-assessment. You can collaborate with classmates or friends on study material. Quizlet offers AI-generated flashcards based on your study needs and preferences. Spaced repetition software. Apps like Anki employ AI algorithms to schedule review sessions at optimal intervals to maximize long-term retention. Anki flashcards are a digital learning tool designed to help medical students effectively learn and retain vast amounts of complex medical knowledge. Anki utilizes spaced repetition, an evidence-based learning technique that optimizes memory retention and recall, feedback, and improvement. Grammarly. This AI-driven writing assistant can proofread your essays, detect grammar errors, and suggest improvements to enhance your writing skills. It also offers style and clarity suggestions, helping you improve the overall quality of your writing. Virtual writing coaches. Some AI platforms like ProWritingAid provide in-depth writing analysis and suggestions for improvements. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.